Imagine this. You've been taking creatine for weeks, hoping to build muscle and boost your strength, but you're not seeing any difference. Frustrating, right? Well, you're not alone. Many people make common mistakes when taking creatine, mistakes that can hold them back from unlocking its full potential. But don't worry, because today, we're breaking it all down. In this video, I'll reveal the 6 most common mistakes people make when taking creatine and exactly how to fix them. These tips will help you get bigger, stronger, and see real results in your workouts. So, if you've ever wondered, am I doing this wrong? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to maximize every scoop of creatine you take. Let's dive in. Creatine is one of the most popular supplements in the fitness world, and for good reason. Backed by decades of scientific research, it has consistently proven its ability to enhance muscle growth, boost strength, and improve overall athletic performance. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, creatine is often hailed as a game changer for anyone looking to push their limits. So, how does it work? Creatine is stored in your muscles and acts as a rapid source of energy during high-intensity activities. This energy comes in handy when you're lifting heavy weights, performing sprints, or engaging in explosive movements. By increasing your muscles' creatine stores, you're essentially giving your body the fuel it needs to perform at a higher level for longer periods. But here's the thing. Simply taking creatine isn't a guarantee for success. Mistakes like choosing the wrong type, improper dosing, or neglecting essential factors, like hydration, can all diminish its effectiveness. Many people unknowingly fall into these traps and wonder why they aren't seeing results. In this video, we're going to uncover the 6 most common mistakes people make when taking creatine. From choosing the best type of creatine to ensuring optimal absorption, we'll guide you step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do to maximize your creatine supplementation and finally see the results you've been working for. There are so many types of creatine on the market today: creatine monohydrate, creatine HCl, creatine nitrate, and even newer forms claiming to have special benefits. With all these choices, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and start second-guessing your decision. You might even wonder, should I mix different types to get the best of everything? Or should I switch between them for variety? Here's the truth. Stick to one type of creatine. And if you're looking for the most reliable option, creatine monohydrate is the answer. It's been the gold standard for decades because it's the most researched, cost-effective, and proven form. Studies have consistently shown its effectiveness in boosting strength, enhancing muscle growth, and improving athletic performance. Switching between types or mixing them can lead to inconsistent dosages, which might prevent your muscles from reaching optimal creatine saturation levels. This can slow down your progress and leave you frustrated with lackluster results. Other forms, like creatine HCl or nitrate, may sound appealing because of their marketing claims, but they simply haven't been studied as extensively as monohydrate. The solution is simple. Choose creatine monohydrate and stick with it. Take it consistently at the recommended dose of 5 grams per day. Consistency is key. By using one reliable form, you'll give your muscles the fuel they need to perform better and recover faster. Creatine isn't a magic supplement that works for every type of exercise. If you're spending most of your time doing cardio or endurance-based workouts, you might be wondering why you're not seeing any significant benefits from creatine supplementation. The reason lies in how creatine functions within your body. Creatine is most effective during short, high-intensity activities like weightlifting, sprinting, or explosive movements. When you engage in these types of exercises, your body taps into its creatine phosphate stores to produce energy quickly in the form of ATP. This burst of energy is what allows you to push harder, lift heavier, and complete more reps. On the flip side, endurance activities like long-distance running or cycling rely on different energy systems that don't primarily use creatine phosphate. As a result, creatine won't make a noticeable difference in your performance during these types of workouts. The solution is simple. Tailor your training to maximize creatine's benefits. Focus on resistance training with compound lifts like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. Incorporate anaerobic exercises such as sprint intervals or high-intensity interval training, HIIT. Aim for sets of 3 to 12 reps or short working intervals of 10 to 15 seconds. These are the workout styles where creatine truly shines, helping you build strength, power, and muscle over time. Many people start taking creatine with the expectation that they'll see results immediately. You might think, I'll take my first scoop today and wake up tomorrow feeling stronger and lifting heavier weights. Unfortunately, that's not how it works. Creatine doesn't provide instant results because it needs time to build up in your muscles. This process, known as saturation, typically takes about a week or two of consistent supplementation, especially if you're following the daily maintenance dose of 5 grams. During this time, your muscle cells gradually store creatine phosphate, which your body uses as a quick energy source during intense activities. This gradual buildup means you won't notice significant changes right away. However, once your muscles are fully saturated with creatine, you'll start to see the benefits. These include better endurance during short, high-intensity efforts, heavier lifts, and even a few extra reps before hitting fatigue. The key is patience. Stick to your supplementation routine and pair it with consistent, effective training. Over time, the small improvements in strength and performance will add up, leading to noticeable gains in your workouts. Remember, creatine is a powerful tool, but it works best when you're in it for the long haul. Pre-workout supplements often advertise creatine as one of their key ingredients, which might make you think you're getting all the creatine you need. But here's the issue. Most pre-workouts only contain 1 to 2 grams of creatine per serving. This amount is far below the recommended daily dose of 5 grams, which is what your body needs to fully saturate its creatine stores and see noticeable benefits. Relying solely on your pre-workout for creatine is a common mistake that can leave you underdosed. Without enough creatine, your muscles won't reach the optimal levels needed to boost performance, endurance, and muscle growth. This not only limits your progress, but can also waste time and money on supplements that don't deliver the full benefits. The solution is simple and cost-effective. Get a standalone creatine supplement. Creatine monohydrate is the best choice. It's affordable, unflavored, and easy to mix into water, juice, or a protein shake. For quicker results, you can start with a loading phase. Take 20 grams per day divided into 4 doses for 5 to 7 days, then switch to a maintenance dose of 5 grams daily. Alternatively, you can skip the loading phase and take 5 grams daily for consistent results over time. Both approaches are effective, but the key is to ensure you're consistently giving your body the right amount of creatine to maximize its benefits. Creatine works by pulling water into your muscles, which not only helps them appear fuller, but also keeps them hydrated and ready to perform at their peak. This process is one of the key reasons why creatine is so effective for boosting strength and endurance during high-intensity workouts. However, if you're not drinking enough water, this hydration process can't happen effectively, and you might not get the results you're looking for. When your body isn't properly hydrated while taking creatine, you could also experience side effects like bloating, muscle cramps, or even mild discomfort during workouts. This isn't because creatine is harmful. It's because your muscles aren't getting the water they need to work optimally while utilizing creatine. The solution is straightforward. Drink more water. If you're taking the standard 5-gram dose of creatine daily, aim for 3 to 4 liters of water throughout the day to ensure your muscles stay hydrated. As a rule of thumb, add an extra 300 to 500 milliliters of water for every 5 grams of creatine you consume. Staying properly hydrated will not only enhance the effectiveness of your creatine supplementation, but also improve your overall energy levels and performance in the gym. Caffeine is a go-to energy booster for many people, especially before workouts. However, it's important to know that caffeine is a natural diuretic, meaning it can increase urination and potentially lead to dehydration. While a single cup of coffee is unlikely to cause issues, excessive caffeine, especially from sources like energy drinks, pre-workout supplements, or caffeine pills, can interfere with the hydration process that creatine relies on to work effectively. Creatine draws water into your muscles to keep them hydrated and primed for performance. If your body becomes dehydrated due to excessive caffeine consumption, this process is disrupted and the effectiveness of creatine can be significantly reduced. This can prevent you from fully reaping the benefits of creatine supplementation, leaving you with suboptimal results in the gym. The solution is simple. Moderate your caffeine intake. Stick to 1 or 2 cups of coffee a day And be cautious about adding other high-caffeine products like energy drinks or pre-workouts into your routine. Balance your caffeine consumption with proper hydration by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. By finding the right balance, you can enjoy the benefits of both caffeine and creatine without sacrificing the performance and muscle gains you're aiming for. Can I mix creatine with protein? Absolutely. Creatine and protein are a perfect pair when it comes to maximizing your fitness results. Creatine is primarily used to enhance performance during high-intensity, short-duration exercises, while protein is essential for muscle repair and growth after those intense workouts. Together, they create a synergy that helps you train harder and recover faster. You can take them at the same time, like mixing creatine into your post-workout protein shake, or separately, depending on your preference. Either way, both supplements will work effectively as long as you're consistent with your intake. Is creatine safe for my kidneys? This is one of the most common concerns, but the good news is that creatine is completely safe for healthy individuals. Decades of research have shown no evidence that creatine damages kidneys when taken at the recommended dose of 5 grams per day. However, if you have a pre-existing kidney condition or any health concerns, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor before starting supplementation. Safety should always come first, so stay within the recommended dosage and drink plenty of water to support your body's natural functions. Do I need creatine if I eat meat? While meat, particularly red meat and fish, does contain creatine, the amount isn't enough to fully saturate your muscles. Supplementing with creatine ensures that your muscles have optimal levels to maximize performance and recovery. Even if you consume meat regularly, a creatine supplement can help you achieve the benefits faster and more consistently. Taking creatine can truly transform your workouts and bring you closer to your fitness goals, but only when you use it the right way. It's not just about taking a scoop and hoping for the best. It's about understanding how to make creatine work for you. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. Stick to one form of creatine, like monohydrate, as it's the most reliable and research-backed option. Pair your creatine supplementation with the right workouts, focusing on resistance training and high-intensity exercises. Be patient and consistent. Results take time but are well worth the effort. Don't rely solely on pre-workouts for your creatine needs. Instead, use a standalone supplement to ensure proper dosing. Stay hydrated to help creatine do its job effectively, and keep your caffeine intake moderate to avoid interference. By following these steps, you'll maximize the benefits of creatine, unlocking noticeable improvements in your strength, endurance, and overall physique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more practical fitness tips and strategies. And before you go, make sure to check out our next video on boosting testosterone naturally. It's packed with proven methods to take your gains to the next level. See you there!